Hello and welcome back to the madness. Yes, we have more diamond paintings. We're doing 3 today. Once again, this is the everyday deals, $3.99. I think I want to say I got like 12 paintings. That's why you're getting videos after videos after videos after videos. Hey, some of you guys don't like the week of DAC. So, do you like the week of China Mail? Tell me down below. Have you enjoyed this? Because, oh my goodness, I just saw it. I forgot I got this one. Okay, this is a special drill. And am I going to be able to find out how to get into this? Seriously? Okay, if you guys don't know me by now, oh, it's at the top. Don't I feel very special right now? Okay. I have an obsession with peacocks. Yeah, I really do. Yeah. So, found a peacock. It's a peacock. Look at the peacock. It's gorgeous. And it's special drills. A special drill peacock. Okay, standard drill kit, but we got the cheapo plastic tweezers. Can't speak. That's okay. It's, okay, I'm going to have to do this one soon. It's a partial, but I am not mad about this at all. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know I am really loud right now, but it's a peacock, people, with special drills. I mean, oh my God. Look at those. Can you see how pretty? Focus, please. We're focusing on this. Yeah. Okay, you're kind of focused. You're not really. Okay, there you are. You're focused. Look how, don't look at my nails. They're ugly. Look how beautiful those are. Oh, okay, Mr. Peacock. I know, you are very, yeah, we'll just put you right there, Mr. Peacock. Okay, we're going to put those down because those keep falling. Okay, Toby just came running in here. Look at the special gems. It's beautiful. And then you got these. Focus. 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 Yes. Somewhat focus. Okay. And then you got these. Okay, hold on. Gonna try a little better. Yes, those. Look how stunning. And then we got teeny baby ones too. Oh, it's just so cute. You want to see it, Johnny? Sure. Special drill.
Oh, that's a very pretty one.
And look at the...
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Okay, now here's the other special drills. So we have silver, green, turquoise. More turquoise. Those must be large. Those must be smaller or something. I don't know. I'm really bad when it comes to that. Oh. Okay, guys, you know this has moved up. This will be the first week of January. For sure, I will be doing this one. Because, yeah. It's actually going to go in my Christmas drawer. So I know right when I'm done with Christmas. It's going to be my first one. Okay, what do we have next? I'm excited. Oh, I forgot. See, you guys think I don't... Yeah, it's not a joke. I forget what I order. I mean, you can laugh about it. Go right ahead, because I laugh about it all the time when I'm doing these unboxings. But it's like a surprise. But a good surprise. Okay, I can't get it to work. I'm going to have such a mess to clean up. You see the mess that just keeps getting bigger and bigger here? Okay, what is this? I did not order this. There's no way in heck I would order this. But guess what? Christmas present for Mom. Yay? I wouldn't order this. But I'm pretty sure that's John Wayne. And she'll love it. And it has DMC codes. And it has thoughts. Okay. Okay. So let's look at this. Okay. Beautiful colors. I love that. She's going to enjoy this one. I know that. So that's good. Maybe that's what I was thinking. I could have ordered it and been like, oh, that would be a perfect Christmas present for Mom. I don't know. Like I said, I don't remember things. But it is now, so yay. And I know she didn't order it for herself because it came in my bags. So, and there's no way she would have ordered that peacock. I remember ordering that peacock. I just forgot that it was coming. Okay, what do we got here? Okay. Oh, it's all like messed up. You see, it's all yucky. So that's pretty cool. I like it. I love the colors. No DMC. That's for sure. On the drill quality, yes and no. It is sticky, so that's a bonus. Okay, let's look at these colors. Beautiful blues. And it'll go perfect in my living room. It really will. I like it. It's different, don't you think? Okay. There's that one. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed them. I love the peacock. I cannot wait to do the peacock. Yes. Standard toolkit. Do we need to go over that? It's a plate of wax. You have the drill tray and the drill pen. Yay! Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Come back tomorrow and see the last of the $3.99 sale at Everyday Deals. I couldn't think of it. Sorry, guys. Okay. Bye, guys.